feels like time is going faster than it seems.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am alive. I know it's been a while since you've seen my face on here, and I haven't been uploading as much recently, but things have been really busy just with other things going on in life right now. Good things though, so that's always good. But don't worry, I'm here and I'm kind of getting back into the groove of things. I feel like I have my hair sticking out. Getting back into the groove of things, you know, with making my tutorials and videos and stuff. To be honest, I feel like I lost a lot of inspiration over these past couple of months because just of other things going on. For those of you who don't know, my husband and I, we own a couple other businesses. I don't do YouTube, just YouTube full time. Aside from YouTube, I'm also a freelance makeup artist, so that keeps me pretty busy as well. So finding time to not film, because I can always find time to film, but it's finding time to edit, which has been really hard to do. So I've been putting it on the back burner, but I apologize. I do want to start putting out videos. And to be honest though, I also kind of got a little bit bored of just makeup videos. I kind of want to put out different videos because I feel like I had just been putting out tutorial after tutorial and it was kind of like boring for me a little bit. I don't know if it's boring for you. If it's not boring for you, then great, and I hope you really enjoy my tutorials. But if you also kind of feel like maybe you want to see like a different part of me, my life, or what I do, like let me know. Let me know if you have any ideas or types of videos you'd like for me to see. I kind of want to do like an updated Q&A video because I feel like it's been a while since I've done one, and you know, like I said, things are always changing and I have, you know, new subscribers and stuff like that, followers. So just so you guys can get to know me a little bit more, I don't know, let me know what you want to see, please. Other than that, this video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look. It's a pretty simple, simple glam as far as like it being really neutral colors. It is just a cut crease with some glitter in there. I think it's really, really cute for like a date night if you really want to like, you know, step it up a bit. But yeah, or like a night out on the town. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, then of course just keep on watching. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit that little bell next to subscribe, because that way you're updated on when I have uploaded a new video. And don't forget, you can also follow me on Instagram, which I'm really active on, which you guys know that. Instagram, Snapchat, which I don't think most people are on too much these days now. I don't know, I'm not. And Twitter. So all links are down below. Go ahead and give me a follow. We can be friends over social media. And yeah, let's get to the video. So I already did one eye for this look, and we're gonna do the tutorial on this other eye. I primed up my eyelid and cleaned up my eyebrow with the Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Beige with my MAC 252 brush, which you guys have seen me done so many times. So for today's shadows, I'm using the Tarte palette. We're going to start off with the color Chic. It is a matte nude tone, and I'm taking this on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to start blending this into my crease right directly underneath the arch of my eyebrow. Now, most of the time you guys see me kind of round off the crease color into my outer C, but this time we're kind of winging it out. So make sure you kind of just fan out that shadow more out towards the tail of your brow. And then for this next color, we are taking this terracotta matte shade, and with a smaller blending brush and really just pushing that into the crease, and in small circular motions, again fanning out towards the tail end just to create that little bit of a swoop so we have definition for when we cut the lid. So I'm going back to my MAC 252 brush and my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to be using this to start to cut my crease. I fast forward this a little bit and sped it up because it does take a while, so don't feel bad if you're taking a long time doing this. It does take a long time because you really want to get that precision. Also, you do want to make sure that you're cutting your crease high enough. I've cut my crease so many times that I just already know where to place it, but if you are still a beginner to this, definitely inch your way higher and higher until you finally are at the right height for where your crease should be cut. So I'm then taking the ColourPop Semi Precious Metals palette, and I'm using this champagne metallic color just to apply all over where we cut the lid. And then I am taking my Sigma Gel Black Liner in Wicked and an angle brush. I'm going to start to map out my wings so you guys can kind of see how I started off. Then I like to go in and fill it in with some type of liquid liner. Here I'm using the Pixie liner and then just cleaning it up. I do this because I really like a super pigmented line. And then I'm highlighting my inner corner and brow bone with my Jeffree Star Ice Cold before smoking out my bottom lash line with all the shades that we used on top. I'm then going to be just coating my eyelashes before putting on falsies. And as my lashes are drying, I'm going to be just applying that glitter. I am using one of the glitter liners from Too Faced. This is a rose gold shade. I feel like it just complemented the colors really, really well. And again, this does take time. You do it slowly. So I just kind of, you know, sped up the speed here on the film. So I am taking this Dr. Brandt Pore Minimizing primer, and I got this in one of my BoxyCharm boxes. I really like it. It does leave my skin feeling pretty silky smooth, and it has like a minty scent to it. I really like it. And I'm doing this underneath my foundation just to have a better canvas to work with and a more long-lasting finish. I am using my Maybelline Superstay foundation. You guys know I go hard for this foundation right now. It is actually really, really, really good. If you have oily skin, you like full coverage, and you like long wearing, this is a foundation to check out. I apply it with my Beauty Blender, damp Beauty Blender. And for highlighting and concealing, since we already finished the eye, I'm just kind of highlighting really pretty far down underneath my eyes, trying to not get close to it as to not disturb any of the shadow that we already have. And I'm just kind of picking up my concealer off the back of my hand and pressing that onto the center area of my face for a highlighted effect. And just like I said, being really, really careful not to get this too far into the eye area, since that area has already been completed. So no baking today. I actually went for like a not so heavy set type of setting, if that makes sense, like with my setting powder. I'm taking my RCMA no color powder and just lightly setting the center of my face where we put the concealer, and that's it. I did not set the rest of my face, since this foundation does dry down pretty matte. So we're going to go straight into bronzing. I'm using my NARS Laguna bronzer, taking this into the hollows of my cheek in circular motions and also along my jawline. I do have a little bit of color to my skin right now. I've been using the Jergens Natural Glow Self-Tanning In-Shower Lotion, and you guys, actually works really well. I like it. This foundation matches me pretty good right now, and that's because it's darker than what I normally am. For contouring, I'm using the Bare Minerals Contour Palette, just to kind of deepen my cheekbones a little bit more and define my jaw, and then of course my nose contour, because it is not a full glam day without a good nose contour in my book. So I am using my favorite Morphe R8 brush to do so. You guys have seen me contour my nose so many times. I am using this Milani highlighter, and it is so beautiful. I'm using this on a Morphe tapered brush, and I'm taking this on the tops of my cheekbones. I've been pretty particular where I highlight these days, just because I started to go a little ham with my highlighter, like in areas that I now feel aren't very flattering. So now I'm just being really meticulous on where I highlight. So it's definitely the tops of my cheekbones, my Cupid's bow. I don't really like to highlight my chin anymore, and I don't really like to highlight my forehead either. I just like to stick to my nose, Cupid's bow, and my cheekbones. I feel like that just complements my face and features the best. Moving on to blush, I'm going to be using this Luminous Loose blush from Makeup Studio, and this has actually been a change of like recently. I'm now using this tapered brush to blush. That was too many ushes in one sentence, but yeah, I've really been liking it. I don't know, I'm just kind of sticking to it for now. And then finally, I'm going to be using my Park Avenue Princess from Tarte Lip Paint as well. This is a super nudie, warm tone matte liquid lipstick, and I feel like it pretty much can suit a variety of shades of skin tones, but the tone of it dries down a little bit darker than when you first apply it from the bottle. You'll kind of see in the ending clips here, but it's one of my favorite colors. I think it's a really good universal nude. It's not like concealer nude, just a little bit of color. And once that's on, of course, we have our setting spray, and this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I've missed you all. I am back with videos. Let me know what you want to see in the next one, and don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.
We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, nothing could